Hi Red Group, Mrs Taylor here. It's week 12, Maths lesson 2, and our learning objective today is to tell the time to the hour. So today we're going to be using an analog clock to help us to tell the time to the hour. So let's look at the different parts of an analog clock. So we've got here a label pointing to the minute hand. The minute hand helps us see how many minutes have passed. It takes 1 hour to travel all the way around the clock once. The shorter hand is called the hour hand. The hour hand helps us see how many hours have passed. It takes 1 hour to travel from one number to the next. It takes 12 hours for it to travel all the way around the clock once. The numbers help us know which hour to say when telling the time. Some clocks might have Roman numerals or miss out these numbers altogether, and some just have dots. What can you tell me about this time? Can you explain how you know? It's 1 o'clock. We know because the hour hand is pointing directly at the 1 and the minute hand is pointing at the 12. What can you tell me about this time? Can you explain how you know? It's 8 o'clock. We know this because the minute hand is pointing straight up to the 12 and the shorter hour hand is pointing straight at the number 8. So what time is this clock showing? This clock is showing 11 o'clock. Which clock is showing 6 o'clock? Is it clock 1, 2 or 3? It's clock 3, because this clock has the minute hand pointing to the 12 and the hour hand pointing to the 6. Now which clock is showing 5 o'clock? It's clock 2. Which clock is showing 7 o'clock? Again, it's clock 2. Oh no, my minute hand has fallen off my clocks. Which clock would be showing 4 o'clock? It's clock 3. Remember, you can still tell the time, in this case, without showing the minute hand, because the hour hand is pointing straight at the number, so we know that it must be 4 o'clock. Here we've got a clock in the corner showing a time. The lady is saying, we accidentally turned up just 5 minutes late to the party. What time do you think we should have arrived? And the little boy is saying, hint, it was an o'clock time. The party started at 2 o'clock. Did you get it right? Now it's your turn to have a look at some of your other paper activities and see whether you can tell the time to the hour. Have fun!